off, I see. Bad man likes colony from unruly. Girl, why be?
Hey y'all, good morning. So guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're new, please subscribe and hit that notification button to get notified whenever I drop a new video. So guys, today is, what is today? Today is May 7th and I'm going to a car show with my brother, my bigger brother. Guys, it's 7 o'clock in the morning. Don't even. So guys, I'm showing y'all the outfit that I'm gonna wear for the interview. These pants, and then this blouse. Yeah, basic. Anywho, yeah, I'm going to a car show and something there. I'm going over my sister today to babysit because it's on a Sunday and she's going somewhere. So I'm gonna babysit my nieces and my nephew. So that's what's happening today. So y'all, I'm gonna bring y'all along with me. I hope y'all enjoy because I'm super excited. Anywho, I'm gonna put on my clothes and get ready. And yeah, see y'all in a minute.
Wow! It's your folks, Soldier Boy, tell them I'm in the building. Everybody get on the dance floor. This girl got a dunk, she finna shake it all night. Wow! Wow! She got a dunk. 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 Shake it out. 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 Wow! Shake it out. Wow! Shake it out. Wow! Shake it out. Wow! She got a dunk. Watch her hit the flow. I like the way she move and the way she snap and roll. We ain't going down. Got 5,001. Me, you, and you. We about to have fun. Now go make it clap. That right there. Turn on something that match my shirt. I like her. I want them to do that over her. She got a dunk. 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 Shake it out. 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 Wow. Shake it out. Wow. Shake it out. Wow. Shake it out. Wow. Verse 2. I'm back in this thing. I see that upper bottom hanging out that G-string. I'm on fire. Hot to my legs. I'm the one tell them. Me and my compadres. That's on deck. Girls on deck. Now that I'm on a rab up next. Hung up my phone and I cash my check. Last time the party girl get something wet. Wow. She got a dunk. 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 Shake it out. 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 Wow. Shake it out. Wow. Shake it out. Wow. Shake it out. Wow. Get low to the flow, lower. Get low to the flow, lower. Get low to the flow, lower. Get low to the flow, beat it, get 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 it, beat it, get it, get it, get it, beat it, get it, get it, get it. Do the grown, 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 do the grown. Throw the tile in, give up. Throw the tile in, give up. Throw the tile in, give up. Throw the tile in, give up.
Just fuck your main bitch. That's just how I feel. Just how I feel. Nah, $8 say fuck them niggas that you getting with. That's just how I feel. Just how I feel. Nah, $8 just make that name switch. That's just how I feel. Just how I feel. $8 turn to $1 million and we all rich. That's just how I feel. Just how I feel.
Get the brakes when they on patrol. No way, be the last one not to get the stove. No way, not one of you bucket head hoes. No way.
Me and my niggas tryna get it, you bitch. Yeah, bitch. Hit that house, they tell me, is you with it, you bitch. Yeah, bitch. Home invasion was persuasive. What's persuasive? From 9 to 5, I know it's vacant, you bitch. This is why I'm hot. 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 I'm hot cause I'm fly. You ain't cause you not. This is why I'm hot. I'm hot cause I'm fly. You ain't cause you not. This is why I'm hot. This is why I'm hot. I don't gotta rap. I could sell a mill saying nothing on the track. I represent New York, I got it on my back. Say that we lost it, so I'ma bring it back. I love the dirty, cause show me love. The ladies start to bounce as soon as I hit the club. But in the Midwest, they love to take it slow. So when I hit the I watch them get it on the floor. And if you need it hyphy, I take it to the Bay. Frisco to Sacktown, they do it every day. Compton to Hollywood, soon as I hit LA. I'm in that low, I do it the Cali way. And when I hit the Shy, people say that I'm fly. They love the way I dress, they like my attire. They love how I move crowds from side to side. They ask me how I do it and simply I reply. This is why I'm hot. 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 I'm hot cause I'm fly. You ain't cause you not. This is why I'm hot. I'm hot cause I'm fly. You ain't cause you not. This is why I'm hot. This is why I'm hot. Catch me on the block. Every other day another drop. 16 bars, 24 pop, 44 songs. Give me what you got. I'm in the driving cars, crush up off the lot. I'm in the shutting stars down just so I can shop. If you need I could get it. Tell me what you need, you know I get them by the flock. I call my homie Black, meet me on the Ave. I hit Wash Heights with the money in the bag. We in the big spin and see my pimpin' never drag. Find me with different women that you never had. For those who say they know me, know I'm focused on my cream. Player, you come between, you better focus on the I keep it so mean, the way you see me lean. And when I say I'm hot, this is what I mean. This is why I'm hot. 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 I'm hot cause I'm fly. You ain't cause you not. This is why I'm hot. I'm hot cause I'm fly. You ain't cause you not. This is why I'm hot. This is why I'm hot. Shorty see the drop. Ask me what I paid and I say yeah, I paid a guap. And then I hit the switch that take away the top. So chicks around the way they call me cream of the crop. They hop in the car, I tell them all aboard. We hit the studio, they say they like how I record. I gave them black and I did you wrong. So every time I see them, man, they tell me that's their song. They say I'm the bomb, they love the way the charm hanging from the neck and compliments the arm, which compliments the ear. Then comes the gear. So when I hit the room, the shorty stop and stare. Start to hate, rearrange their face. But little do they know I keep them things by waist. Side I reply, nobody got to similar to Louise, cause I got This is why I'm hot. 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 I'm hot cause I'm fly. You ain't cause you not. This is why I'm hot. I'm hot cause I'm fly. You ain't cause you not. This is why I'm hot.
This ain't what you want. This ain't what you want. 2, 3, 4, start with 5. That's my heart. Damn. 1, 2, 3, 4, start with 5.
MC, make another mix.
This ain't what you project. This ain't what you want. This ain't what you want.
Hey guys, so my package just delivered. This is supposed to be my camera, but I'm a little skeptical because why is the box so small? Well, let's see. I ordered the Sony zv-1 zv-1. So let's see how it looks. Ain't no way I'm holding this, mommy. My mommy's right there. Ain't no way. Yeah. Look at it. Look at it, y'all. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. 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 Alright. Alright, let's see. Oh my gosh. Alright. Let's open it. Hold on. Let me see if I can bend y'all a little. Hold on. So this instruction sheets. Oh my gosh. All right. Oh my gosh, y'all. All right. Let's deal with this section. What's in this? Oh, this is the mic or something? Yeah, it's the mic. Why does it look like that? Alright. And we got the USB. Well, the USB card. And then we got the battery. Oh my god. The battery, y'all. Period. Okay. And now the last thing. Ain't no way I'm holding this. Oh my god. It's the big reveal. Y'all. Look at it. Wow. Look, y'all. I'm holding my first camera. Look at it, y'all. And then you pull it out like this, and then I can vlog like this. Period. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. They're in the background. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. I'm so excited. Oh my god. Let's see. Let's see if this battery is you put it in here. Let's see if this battery is charged. Oh, that thing is the wrong way. Okay. Okay, let's see. Yeah. Ain't no way. So, it's touchscreen too. All right. Is that a thing? I got something. So guys, I'm gonna connect it and come back to y'all. Hey guys, so it's hours later and update on the camera. I had an SD card for the camera, but it's not working with it because it's an old SD card. So I have to wait until my new SD card comes in. I think it's coming on Monday. Yeah, so I can't use the camera yet. And I'm gonna buy extra batteries, so because according to vloggers that has the camera already, they say it runs out of life quick. So yeah, I'm gonna get those, so when I go out of state I won't have no problem, and that's on period. So guys, the reason why I'm not zoop now is because I just came out of a meeting for my new school, because I'm starting the last year of high school, because yeah, 12 grades, so grade 12 I mean. So yeah, I decided to do online school because the school that is near me is not good. It does not have good reviews. They fight every day. They be fighting. They're bad kids over there, like. And me, y'all see my hand? Does it look like I can fight? Does this look like I can manage when people gang me? So I'm gonna stay my butt at home and finish my high school and then go on with my life. So yeah, at least when I'm doing online, I have more to vlog because I can go out, you know. So yeah, so that's the update on my life, a little life update. So yeah, I'm gonna continue this vlog until Mother's Day. Yeah, Mother's Day is on Sunday, so yup. Anytime there's nothing more else to film, like I go out or anything interesting that happens, I'll definitely pick up the camera. So until then, peace. Hey y'all, so this is the ootd for today because it's nice outside. So let me put this on and come back to y'all. Hey y'all, so this is what I have on. I'm gonna wear my white sandals with it. Yeah, guys, can you believe it? As I was saying, can y'all believe it? I lost my lip gloss. Like, I'm so devastated because that was my favorite lip gloss. It got my lips popping, and now I gotta use this until I can order one from somewhere. I'm gonna look in the beauty store if they have it, because I really want it. Because on Amazon, it's for $4. And in Jamaica, I paid like $2.50 for it. $2.50 Jamaican dollars. Like, come on now. Amazon, why are you playing with me? So Yeah. Y'all look at my bracelet. I'm trying to build a collection. They're so cute. I made this one from the kit that I bought from Shein. Yeah. So this is a perfume, as always. It's the only perfume I got. Well, no, but I like this more. Guys, my edges are not giving. I didn't even tell you what we're doing today. So today I'm going to Ikea because, as I said yesterday, I'm doing online classes, so that means I need a desk and a chair. So I gotta go to Ikea. I'm going to Ikea with my sister. And anywho, I would have to go over to my sister anyways because I'm getting my hair redone. I'm getting it re-braided. Dang, the perfume. I'm getting my hair re-braided like this because I got school, I got orientation starting Monday. So yay me! It's like, ugh. I haven't been in school for over a year, bro. Anywho, I'm gonna talk to y'all later when I reach Ikea or something. So peace.
Take a look inside your heart. Is there any room for me? I would have to hold my breath till you get down on one knee, because you only want to hold me when I'm looking good enough. Did you ever fool me? Would you ever picture us? Every time I pull my hair out with any outfit, that you'll find me ugly and one day you disappear. Cause what's the point of begging? It was never even.
Guys, this is the chair.
Was I ever good enough?
And then this is the yeah. So yeah. Yeah, I saw this one too. Hey y'all, it's the next, well, it's 2 days later. But I'm here with a Ulta haul. There's one thing in there for me. But I got, well, not me. My sister got the Ordinary moisturizer. Because Ordinary is a nice brand. It's a good brand. I hear a lot about it. And I got this. The Alpha something another serum. Then we got this. I don't know what that is.
Heart foundation.
Oh, it's a foundation?
Yeah.
I should say face. Oh, it's a foundation, y'all. And then this is mine because I lost my lip gloss. I lost my lip gloss as I told y'all, so yay! Alright, see y'all when I reach home. Hey y'all. So change of plans. We're going to a carnival. So bye bye. Yay. Bye.
Some hope and he run off as a ghost. She trauma with a stock and a dick and a scope. She said she was asleep. She said take a now woke. Come here, bitch.
Not me.
Tryna play me like a pussy nigga and it won't work. Trauma with the stock, hit the dick, but it won't hurt. Turn this bitch sideways, rip him like some homework. Sneak up in this truck under the bed like a monster. Pop up out the club with the chopper. Who's the owner? Today you're not a trap star. Today you are a donor. Wanna pull it with the thought I'm tryna bone her. She throw the pussy on me like I put it in a corner. I made a movie with her off, thought she said I cloned her. She got Stussy on dev, it's basic and it won't work. Every slug hot like a rapper at a concert. She says P gang player like some poker. I said yes, then it said her you a smoker. Only cookies and pussy niggas cause I do both. And I asked her what the dick did it murder. She wrote and she wanna give me more head, but my dick hurt her throat. Bitch, oh. Chopper with a stop and a dick and a scope. Run up on the ticket, you ain't running, you gon' float. She don't like blood sex, she never had a low. Pop up full of sober niggas running like a hoe. And if they if they jumping like a hoe. Have them doctors cutting heads in like a pumpkin in this hoe. And my whole gang stacking like a bucket in this hoe. He ran up with some hoe and he run off as a ghost. Chopper with a stop and a dick.
think about you all day, mommy. I know I'm a pit bull, but darling, mommy, I just wanna take you on a holiday, mommy. Say what's on your mind, I'ma call away, mommy. Come and rescue me. Whoa. Take me out the club, take me out the trap, take me off the mark, take me off the map. I'm tryna hit the group chat and tell them it's a come and rescue me. Take me out the club, take me out the trap, take me off the market, take me off the map. I'm tryna hit the group chat and tell them it's on. I don't really know how to confess my love. Really seem like I wanna test my love for you. Don't know how to express my love. That's why I'm American Express. My love for you.
Going up.
I need you, yeah, I really do. Tell me what to do. Tell me what to do. Tell me what to do. All I know is hit the mall and see what damage I can do. I give you the world, but there's other planets too. And I need someone to be patient with me. Someone to get money when I take it from me. They don't even need to be as famous as me. I don't think I meet them at the places I be, but deep down I think about you all day, mommy. I know I'm a pit bull, but darling, mommy, I just wanna take you on a holiday, mommy. Say what's on your mind, I'ma call away, mommy. Come and rescue me. Take me out the club, take me out the trap, take me off the mark, take me off the map. Tryna hit the group chat and tell them it's a come and rescue me. Take me out the club, take me out the trap, take me off the market, take me off the map. I'm tryna hit the group chat and tell them it's a
We're about to go on the big boy. Pray for me. We're going up. We're going up. Pull out by your foot, got him. Pull out pretty good. Go drop, no, you go drop, you go drop. Go drop, you go drop. Ah! With the fire! Oh my god! Yo, with the fire, open on yo. Okay. Alright, let me look. Hey y'all. I came back from the carnival. Like, guys, you see after that clip, yeah, I went on the ride that it carry up way to the top. Like, it's very high, way up to the top, and it just without any warning, it just dropped back. Guys, I nearly dead. My gosh, who tell me to go up on that? Guys, when I come off the ride, guys, my foot are tremble. My foot are tremble. My couldn't stand up, my foot then weak. I finally understand when people say their foot weak. Foot weak out. Yo, I nearly have heart failure. When I drop, I feel like everything come out of me. Everything. Never again in my life. Enough. Enough. That, not for me at all. Not for me at all. Anyways, guys, we're tired. Tomorrow is Mother's Day. So yeah, I'm gonna vlog tomorrow, but I got a package in the mail from my school. They're supposed to send me my equipment because I got orientation Monday. Yay me. So they're supposed to send me a MacBook or an iPad, I think. So let's see what's in this box. Hold on. They taped it down good. Okay. Sheesh. Alright. I wish y'all could see what. They sent me this. Alright, there's a letter. Alright. They sent me a calculator that costs $100, $100 US. Oh, they sent me an iPad. They sent me an iPad that costs $284. They sent me a power supply Apple Ear. I don't know what that is, but I'll see. $69. A computer, a MacBook Air, $685. And iPad. Oh, it's the charger. It's a charger. And $19 for the iPad charger. So they made sure they list all the items that they sent you and the cost. So if you damage anything or you lose anything, you gotta buy it back. And mind you, remember, all this it is in USD. That's not no kid money. Oh my gosh. This I'm understand why it costs $100. Oh my gosh. This is a hefty thing. Good quality stuff. Okay. They sent me, I think this is for my iPad, for the iPad. Yeah, it looks like it's for the iPad. And then this is for a MacBook. I have a MacBook and it's the Pro, baby. They sent me the old version, but okay. Alright. That's all the things left in this. Alright. What else is in these papers? Oh, insurance. What is? I feel like to read that right now. Alright. What is this now? What else? Oh. Wait, what? This is an Apple Power Adapter extension cord that provides extra. Oh, this is for extra length. I'm gonna put that there. Okay. All right. This is the. This is. Oh, what job? Anyways. Period. Oh, they sent me a document. Let's read the document. Why they send so much something to read, man? It says confidential student information to open by students only. Let's see when I send me someone. A joke. Okay. Okay. Oh. So why didn't send me to them? Why them? Anyways, that allow me the password to the things. The iPad, guys. Guys, my lips dry, but don't mind it. You can't butter it down. Okay, y'all see? Cause I do. So this is the iPad. Okay, I gotta keep that safe. All right, the MacBook now. Oh, that's the only thing left in the box. I'm excited because I already have one way better and newer. But yeah, I can't mash. Oh, it look like one of the newer versions. This is it, guys. My MacBook, pass it. I got the Pro. The Pro is better because it has a thumbprint, something like this is the more expensive one. So I'm not new cool to them things. I'm not new cool to this. Anyways, that's all. Tomorrow I'm gonna fix up. I'm gonna build my desk and my chair, and I'm gonna unbox the things that I got for my camera, because the next video is gonna be filmed on my camera because the stuff that I needed for the camera is here, but I'm gonna unbox it tomorrow. So see y'all tomorrow. Bye. Hey y'all, it's the next day. It's Mother's Day, and I have a lot to do. I have a lot to do. Hold on, let me get my to-do list. Guys, my normal fired big. Rest off for me. Anyways, I have a to-do list that I need to complete. As a matter of fact, I need to add something to it because I forgot. And then I'm gonna tell y'all what I have to do. So, firstly, on the to-do list was to get ready. I got ready. So, get ready for the day so I can film and look presentable. I love my friend big enough. Lord. No man, I'm here, so let me know, you know. Let's not talk about that. Anyways, second on the list is to do the camera unboxing. The items that I got for the camera. Then I have to build the furniture, the desk and the chair, because I got school tomorrow, orientation. And then I got to do a promotion. Y'all will see in the last video. It's a nails. I got a sponsorship. I have to do that because I haven't done it yet. And I told the people I was going to do it by this week. And this week, I got. So, after that, none. Then, after that, I got to go over to the mall shopping center to buy a Mother's Day gift because my mother is at work. Tomorrow she's coming home, so I gotta get that done. And I have to fold clothes, yeah. And then I have to start editing the last video, not this video but the last video. Yeah, I need to start. Anywho, oh my god. Anywho, let's do the unboxing. So my brother bought this for me. Thank you. He bought this for me. The 128 gigabytes memory card, because the memory card that I had is old and it was not working. So how do you open this? Like, might just be in different area codes. This vlog is gonna be long, bro. Oh, I thought it was the one that comes with a little baby one inside, but it's not. Okay, then I got batteries because I'm going out state soon and I'm gonna need all the power because I'm vlogging everything. Jeez. Yo, look at this. All that just for that little thing in there. I was you got money to waste, don't you? You must be getting these boxes for free or something. Okay. A little manual, a little thing, and the card, and then the charger. Okay. Are all these cards? Oh my god. I have a billion cards now. Everything comes with a card. Jeez. Okay, and then it comes with 3 batteries. That's good, that's good, that's good. Comes with a little case. I'm trying to hurry, damn. It's been 6 minutes. These, okay. See y'all, the next thing I'm gonna do is unbox the furnitures and build them. So see y'all on the next clip. Yeah, after about 2 hours later, I'm finally finished. Oh my god. All right. All right, bye. So this is how it's looking. But I think I'm gonna turn it to the wall. But the TV is right there, like, I don't know what I'm gonna do. So yeah. Guys, I'm gonna show you the whole overlook and then I'm tired. The table, wait, let me tell you, the table, it was easy to put together, but the screwing part, the screws, you have to manually do that. Like, you can't use a screwdriver or whatever. You have to use the thing and ring it round, and it's hurting my arms, like, ugh. Anyways, yeah, I'm gonna show y'all the complete look, and yeah. Hey y'all, so I'm currently walking over the place. Guys, tell me why this breeze wanna take me away. Sheesh, it wanna take me away. Anywho, I'm going to ShopRite to buy my mother a Mother's Day gift, and she'll get it tomorrow. I don't even know if y'all can hear me because of the wind, but yeah. Y'all, can you believe it? What was I gonna say? Oh, can you believe it? They don't got no flowers. I was gonna buy her flowers, but there's no flowers, bro. So I had to buy her a cheesecake. She loves that. So I bought her a strawberry cheesecake. And then I wasn't supposed to spend no more money. And then I bought a a little organizer for my desk, like to put my pens and my pencil and all that in. So yeah, that's all. So guys, this is the end of today's video. I hope you enjoyed, and see y'all in the next one, because the next one is gonna be on the camera, baby. So see y'all later. Bye.